Okay, good morning, everyone. I hope that all of you are fine. Okay, today our lesson is about mixed fraction. What's meant by mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a mix between numbers and fraction. Miss, we don't understand what's meant by this. Okay, let's know now what's meant by this. Here, I have 3 bars of chocolate, and I want to eat the first one. I want to eat, I said I will eat only 2/4 from this chocolate. So now I eat what? 2/4, half of the chocolate. Then I feel, no, I want to complete it another part from it. Okay, let's make another part from it. Let's eat another part from it. So now I eat how many? I eat 3/4. No. I want to eat the whole bar of chocolate. So, okay, I want to eat it. So I eat now the whole part chocolate. Means I eat what? As we said, when I eat the whole part, I eat one whole. I eat one whole. So when I eat the whole pizza, I eat one whole. Sorry, when I eat the whole chocolate, I eat one whole. Now, oh miss, I still want to eat another chocolate. I love chocolate so much. So, okay, let's eat another part from the other chocolate. I eat, Then now I eat what? I eat 1/4. I eat what? 1/4. I eat 1/4 of the chocolate. What's meant by 1/4? 1/4. This is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction is a mix between whole number, like the whole chocolate, the whole number, and a fraction. So it's mixed between a whole number and fraction. I eat a whole bar of chocolate and apart from the other one. And we said, apart from a whole is a fraction. Apart from a whole is a fraction. So I eat one whole bar of chocolate and a quarter from the other one. So I eat 1/4. Miss, but I love chocolate and I want to eat more. Okay, what we're going to make here? Let's eat more. I eat another bar of chocolate. No. It's not enough for me. I will eat another one. So now I eat what? I eat 1 3/4. So if I want to write this fraction, how to write it? I eat 1 3/4. So I eat one whole and 3/4. I eat one whole bar of chocolate and 3/4. Okay, I want to eat more, so I eat another part. Now I eat how many parts of chocolate? I eat how many bars of chocolate? Eat 2 whole bar of chocolate. Is there any fraction? No, I eat only 2 whole parts of 2 whole bar of chocolate. I eat 2 whole. So there's no fraction because we say fraction is apart from the whole, and there's no here fraction. But if after I eat this 2, I go and eat after 1 hour, I feel no, I want the other part of chocolate. So what shall I do? I go and eat another part. So now I eat what? I eat 2 whole bar of chocolate and quarter. So I have to write it as a mixed fraction. So how to write this? I eat 2 whole and 1/4. So I eat 2 1/4. I eat 2 whole bar of chocolate and quarter. So here we said again, mixed fraction means it's a mix between whole numbers and fraction. Because when I eat part from the whole part, it's a fraction. But when I eat it all, it's a whole number. So if I want to write this fraction, what is this fraction? I eat the whole pizza and 3/4 from the other one. So here I eat what? I eat 1 3/4. So like this, we write it. It's 1 3/4. I eat 1 whole pizza and 3/4. How to read it? 1 3/4. So Now, I think that you have to understand what's meant by mixed fraction, that it's mixed between numbers and fraction. Let's go to page 48 in your workbook and answer together this page to understand more what's meant by mixed fraction. So please go now and bring your books. Page 48, the workbook. Make pause for this video until we come. Okay. Now, let's answer together. Here, this is your page. Here he said to me, color 4.5 rectangle. So what I'm going to make here, I will color first. I will go to the number, the whole number, and say it. It's 4 whole rectangle, means I have to color 4 whole rectangles. I have to color four rectangle. Then I want to make here, he said to me, 4.5. Yes, he didn't divide it for me. I can divide it for myself. Here, he said to me, the part down, this number down told me I will divide it into how many parts? So I will divide it into what? 2 parts. Let's divide it into 2 equal parts. You have to make it with your ruler. I don't have ruler here because I will make it with the computer. You have to take your ruler and you have to color in a good way the whole rectangle, okay? So here, I will divide it into 2 equal parts, and he said to me, pick what? 1/2, 1 from the 2. So now I colored 4 whole and a half. I colored 4.5. Let's make this one. Color 3/4. So first I look to the number. 3, 1, 2, and 3. Colored all of it. Colored in a good way. Okay, and then the last one I make what? 4. He said to me divide it into 4/4. Sorry, because it's not in a good way. Then I have to take how many from this 4? 1 from the 4. I want to color 1 from the 4. Now I colored what? 3.25. 3.25. Now, please make pause for this video. Go and answer question 3 and 4, and then return back to the video and see if it's correct or no, okay? Go now. Okay, now you return back. Let's make this. Color 4.75 circle. Let's make it here. I will color 1, 2, 3, and 4. I colored how many? I colored 4 circles. And from the other one, it says me color 3/4. First, I will divide my shape into how many? The number down say to me. I will divide it into 4 equal parts. And then color how many from the 4? 3. 1, 2, and 3. So now I colored 4.75. Let's go to the other one. 3.5, the same thing. I have to look first in the number, the whole number. It's 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the last part I will divide it into 2 halves and make what? Color 1 from it. So now I color 3.5. So now let's make the challenge 2. Kyle is painting color stripe on a brick wall. He paints some whole bricks and then a fraction of the final brick. Draw a line to match each stripe with the correct mixed fraction. Let's make it now. Here, we colored how many whole? 1, 2, 3. So the whole number have to be 3. We have here 3/3, 3/4, 3/4. So it's 3. And this part, the 2 parts are equal, and he take half of it. So it's 3.5. So I will make it with 3.5 here. 1, 2, 2 whole bricks. And this one, you have 2.5 and 2.75. Do you think this one is what? Can it be 2.5? Can be this? This is a half. This equal to this part? No. It's more than half. It's more than half. So it would be what? 2.75. So it would be 2.75. And by the way, I will bring it for you in the exam or anything. I will divide it. I will show you it's divided how many parts. I will not bring it like this. So don't worry. Okay, here, 1, 2, and they're the same, equal. So it's half, 2 and half. So it's 2.5. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whole parts. And 1.25. We don't have, only have quarter. And this small part is like quarter. This small part is like what? Quarter. So it's 4 quarters. Here, 1, 2, 3. And this small part, we say it's, look what? Quarter. 1, 2, 3, quarter. The quarter is smaller than a half. This is the quarter of a half. This is smaller, so it will be quarter. So 2, 3 quarters. Here, 1, 2, 3, and this part, it's more than quarter and less than half. So we say what? Half, third, quarter. The last smaller thing is quarter. The bigger is third. The biggest is half. So here, this is in the middle, so it would be third. 3, third, and I'll say it again. Don't be worried. I will not bring it like this. I will divide, if it's 3, I will divide into 3 parts. If it's 4, I will divide into 4 parts. I will not give it for you like this. Okay, now let's make page 49. Here, he said to me, complete the table to show more mixed fraction. Kyle paints. Number of whole bricks. Number of whole bricks he paint, 6. Number of parts that the final brick is split into, 2. Number of parts of the final bricks Kyle paint, 1. What's meant by this? Means we paint, I will make it as circles. Okay, I'll make it as circle. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the whole brick he have. Number of whole bricks is 6. Then he said to me, number of the part of the final brick is split into 2. He split it into 2. This 2 means the last one, he split it into 2 parts. Here, he said to me, number of part of the final brick Kyle paint means 1. From the last one, he colored 1. So he make what? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. So he colored 6 and a half. Here, this is the number of parts. He cut the last one. Here, 4 number of bricks. The whole number of bricks is 4. So let's write the 4 first. Then I have to make my fraction. This 4, the number of parts that the final brick is split into, means this is the total number of fraction. This is the total number that I'm going to write it down. 4. He paints how many from the 4? 1. So this fraction is what? 4 and quarter. 4 and quarter. Let's make the second one. The whole number is 7. Let's write the 7. Then I write the fraction. He split the whole number. He split it is 3. Means he split the fraction into 3. He cut it into 3 parts. He cut it into 3 parts. He paints how many from them? 2. So it's 7, 2/3. 7 and 2/3. This one, make pause and make it, and then come and see if it's correct or no. Okay, please make pause for this. After you come, let's make it together. Here, it's what? It's going to be 5 whole parts. And then I make my fraction. He split it into 2. The total part is split into. He colored how many from the 2? 1. So it's 5 and a half. 5 and half. Let's go to this one. Here, he writes for me the mixed fraction, and I want to divide it. The first thing, the whole number is 4. Then we said the whole number is split into is the number down or up? Down. The total number is down all the time, we said. So it's 4. He colored how many from the 4? 3. Let's make the second one. The whole number is 6. He colored how many from the whole parts? 5. The total number is 5. He paint from them 3. Now make pause and make the last one, then come and see if it's correct or no. Make pause. Excellent, the one who made pause. The one who didn't make pause, not good. So let's make it now. 3, the whole part. He cut it into the total number 10. And he colored how many from them? 8. So my number is 3/8. Okay, let's make this one. He said to me, color each of these amounts and then write the mixed fraction you have colored. Okay, what I'm going to make here, say to me, color 7 halves. I have each shape divided into half, and I want to color 7 halves. So this is 1 half, 2 half, 3 half, 4 half, 5 half, 6 half, and 7 halves. Now I colored how many? 7 halves. Can I write for now the mixed fraction for this? Yes, miss, it's so easy. We colored how many? 1, 2, 3, 3 whole square. Then the fraction, the last one, we colored 1 from 2. We color 1 from 2. So here we color 1, 2, 3 whole, and the last one is 1 from 2. I colored 1 from 2. So I colored 3 whole parts and a half. 3 and a half. Remember, the last one, when I didn't color it all, it's a fraction. When I color it all, it's a whole number. I colored this all of it, this all of it, and this all of it. So it's 3. And the last one, I colored it as a fraction. I didn't color it all, so I have to write it as a fraction. Remember this. So it's half, 3 and half. Let's make the second one. He wants me to color 11 quarters. Let's count. 1, and you will have to color all the quarter, okay? Please color it in a good way. I can't color it here like this, but you have to color it. You have to color it like this. The whole part, okay? Like this, color it like this. Okay. So I color 11 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now, how to write this? Yes, I can write it easily. The first thing, let's count the whole part we colored. We colored 1 and 2. Colored 2. Then I write the fraction. We colored how many from the 4? From this fraction, there are 4 parts. We color 1, 2, 3. We color 3 from the 4. Here, 11 thirds. I have to color 11 thirds. 1, 2. Each shape is divided into third. When I divide into 3, the 1 is third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's write it. Okay, please make pause and make it alone. Make this alone and then come and see it's correct or no. Let's make it now together. We have 1, 2, 3 whole pizzas, 3 whole circles, sorry. And the last one, the fraction. What the fraction here? We divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3. It's divided into 3 parts. How many colored? 1, 2. 2 colored. So my fraction is 3 and 2 thirds. 3 and 2 thirds. So what's meant by mixed fraction? Again, the last time, the mixed fraction is a mix between numbers and fraction. Numbers and fraction. A whole number and fraction. A whole number and fraction. When I take the whole, I eat whole pizzas and a fraction, I use the mixed fraction. I hope that you understand that, and inshallah, we're going to meet on Tuesday online. If you want to ask any question, I'm here for you. And bye for now. Love you all.